So, do you believe that functional medicine can completely replace traditional medicine?
I believe that's a very complex question. Um, I believe traditional medicine definitely has its place. People who already have chronic illnesses that are way down the line, such as like type 1 diabetes or stage 4 kidney disease, advanced COPD, these chronic illnesses with age. What I mean by that is you're 80 years old and you have this chronic COPD that you had for 30 years. I feel that there's definitely stuff we can do with functional medicine to optimize overall optimize your health based upon what you have, but there's still a need for some of this traditional medicine. In the case of the COPD, because that's what I'm stuck on in my head right now, would be those inhalers in order to keep open those lungs. A lot of the aspects of functional medicine wants to get people before these ailments occur or in early stages of these ailments. What I mean by that, as an example, is a pre-diabetic. So someone whose hemoglobin A1C is slightly elevated, but not to the type 2 diabetic level. We want to come in and try to reduce that. There's various injections and medications that we can give to help reduce that and prevent them from going and getting diabetes. The other kind of aspects of functional medicine is making sure that we're at a cellular level giving your mitochondria, your cells, your lysosomes, everything that your body needs to function. We're giving the body the availability and the energy, if you will, to continue on. The best way I can explain this is if you think of a car, you can wear and tear your car over and over again, and nothing really happens in the first couple of years potentially. But as you continue to drive it very hard, not use proper oil or not change your oil on time, eventually maybe 3, 4, 5, 6 years down the road, you start to have breakdowns, you start to have complications with your car. Even though they may be slightly minor, this will ultimately build up to significant damage. Similar to our bodies, if we treat and abuse our bodies, over time it will catch up to us. So we want to provide, nourish, and give our bodies everything that we need in order to function at our most optimal level and for longevity. Also, it makes you look young, keeps you young as well, which is really cool. But yeah, and I also like it where when it comes to like physical activity, it can really help you continue to do the physical activities that you like to do. Especially I used to run all the time, and now I do jiu-jitsu, and I like to lift weights. And without some of these medications that I'm taking, it would make them hard, and it would make it a little bit difficult to want to do them. I always look forward to doing these activities still. So it helps with a plethora of things.